We can all agree that automation is the future. However, it's not always clear how it fits into the big picture. In some cases, it makes sense to automate very heavily. Sometimes, leaving things to human operators is the best choice. In between these two is a space where some automation makes sense. But how much and which processes to automate is less clear. The way to find the right balance is what we call optimal automation. Optimal automation is a concept designed to smooth the transition into automation by allowing human-operated trucks to work in concert with AGVs in the same facility and collaborate in existing environments and processes. Humans excel at creative problem-solving. They can also speed up or slow down easily, helping meet peak demand. In addition, humans are great at jobs that require fine motor skills like picking orders. AGVs excel at doing repetitive work, such as racking or transportation, with precision and reliability. Because of their tireless nature, they complete work at a steady, predictable pace. A mixed fleet approach ensures that tasks are allocated smartly and effectively to either an AGV or a human operator. To ensure the smooth flow of jobs, Rockler's fleet controller software connects to the ERP or WMS and acts as a single source that assigns jobs to either AGVs or manual trucks, depending on criteria managed by the customer. Fleet Controller communicates directly with AGVs and sends work to human operators through a program called Flow app. The AGVs will increase optimization in the aggregate through greater precision and predictability. Concentrating the efforts of human operators on tasks they are suited for is more efficient and keeps them engaged, increasing employee retention. A mixed fleet approach can be designed to work in your existing facility with little to no modifications. The automation fits into your operation rather than your operation needing to change to fit the automation. This opens many doors for automating workflows. The CapEx is lower thanks to smaller and more targeted projects, automating the processes that make most sense first. This is a scalable approach that prepares the facility for the future without sacrificing gains today. Rockler AGVs like the ART Reach Truck and the award-winning ACT Stacker are designed with collaboration in mind. They are able to work in smaller spaces like your existing aisles and racks. They are also loaded with features designed to meet the ISO 36914 safety standards. This allows them to operate in the same facility as manual trucks. The optimal automation concept offers tremendous benefits to facilities that begin adopting now. Managers can alter the balance of assigned tasks. Fleet Controller handles the rest. During peak times, entire areas of a facility can be set as off-limits to AGVs, allowing human operators to speed up workflows as needed to meet goals. This can be easily reversed when peak times are over. Unusual loads, for instance surfboards, can automatically be assigned to human operators who will handle them far more efficiently than an AGV. The future is automation. The future of automation is collaboration. Managed cooperation will continue to advance, opening up even more opportunities to optimize operations. Imagine the facility where the position of manual trucks is monitored by Fleet Controller. Human-operated trucks could potentially receive superior routing. Emergent technology like AI will no doubt offer even more benefits by adopting a mixed fleet approach with optimal automation in mind today. Facilities will be well positioned to leverage these advances and ensure they are running as optimally and efficiently as quickly as possible. Contact us today and learn how we can help you begin your automation journey.